Okay, this is a 1996 Grand Cherokee Laredo, straight six, four-wheel drive, having some extremely rough idling issues, and I will demonstrate that for you now. Oh, gotta have the keys. I don't know if you can see in the video how bad this engine is shaking. See that hose going. Bring it back here to the exhaust so you can hear it. It's really rich. And then I can come in here. When I put it in neutral, it seems to like it a little more than all the other than just sitting. Here's what I experience in reverse. I don't know if you can tell if it's fucking chugging pretty hard in reverse. Here's one more shot of the engine. Wires are a mess, I know. I don't know if that is an issue or not. Anyways, that's it. I hope it helps, and I hope someone can help me. Thanks for your time.